What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am doing the I'm doing the Loc Tag. Yeah. So I seen this tag circulating around YouTube and I just wanted to participate because I've never really answered, I haven't answered all of these questions in a video before, and I kind of wanted to update you guys on what was going on with my hair anyways, because I am now over a year old as of September 15th. Have a video, my 1 year anniversary, lock anniversary, da 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 da. So let's go ahead and answer some questions, shall we? We shall. All right, the first question is, do you remember the moment you decided to lock? Where were you and how did you feel? I've known for a very long time that I was eventually going to lock my hair. I want to say at least over 10 years ago, and I remember just always loving other people's locks and just having an adoration for like how unique and different everybody's hair chooses to lock up and form. So yeah. What method did I use? So I went to a loctician and she did the comb coil method. My part styles are block, like around the back and the sides, and then up top is a little bit more like free form. How old are my locks? My locks are September, October, November, so 14 months old. Like a baby. What is your longest length and your shortest length? So I don't have a roller down here, but I can tell you that I feel like this lock maybe, I don't know. I don't have one lock that's like specifically, maybe this one, I don't know. This lock seems to be pretty long. Maybe this lock is my longest hanging lock, maybe not like lengthwise, and then maybe this one is probably my shortest lock. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like I got a good cut when I got my hair locked, so it's kind of hard to see if one shrunk up more than the others. So I don't know, for the most part I feel like my locks are kind of cohesively like the same length, but I would say this is probably my puniest lock and this back here is my lowest hanging lock. Do you have any unique, strange, or awesome locks? I feel like my locks are kind of unique up top, and that's mostly due to how they chose to kind of bunch up. They are not like, you know, the perfect cylinder shape. They are very loose on the ends and just kind of like, you know, bumpy, but they all have like their unique thing going on, which is what I love about locks, is nobody's head of locks are the same. So yeah, I feel like they're all of the above. How many do you have? Is it the same that you started with? Now, I never counted my locks before, so I have no idea how many I have. And yes, it is the same that I had when I started, because I've never combined any, I never split any up. What products do you use on your locks? So I actually have a video that shows you all of the products that I use. I typically don't stray too far away from those same basic products, but as of recently, I did add in a new moisturizing shampoo. I don't want to speak too soon yet as to whether or not I like it, because I've only used it this last time, but maybe I'll get you guys updated soon. How often do you wash? So I wash my hair probably about every 2 to 3 weeks. Is most of the time I'm pushing more like 3 weeks. And do you do regular maintenance on your locks? So I believe I explained in my last video, in my lock anniversary video, that I have not been retwisting every time I wash my hair, mainly because I am working out more, and a retwist just does not hold up very long. But I think I might try to start doing a retwist more often again, just because I felt like it'll probably help with the consistency of my locks. So we'll see what happens. What are your favorite beads and decor for your locks? So I'm one of those people, I don't really decorate my locks a whole lot. Every once in a while, I'll put one of those like little, those copper rings, but I did say that I wanted to make some of my own, so stay tuned for that video. If your locks had a motto, what would it be? Taking it easy, plain and simple. Is there anything unique to your appearance other than your locks? I feel like everybody has a unique appearance. Like no one person looks the same. I don't know. If I could restart my locks, what would I do differently? I don't think that I would do anything different. I like the way that my hair is forming and maturing, so I think I would have started sooner. Have you been turned down ever due to your locks? No. How many people do you know personally that have locks? So personally, let me think. 1, 2, 3. Only about 3 or 4 people. What is the weirdest, dumb, or funniest question you get about your locks? So when I first started my locks, I want to say the dumbest question that I got was, oh, how long do you think that you'll do this? I'm like, it's my fucking hair. Like, I'll do this as long as I feel like until I'm tired of it. Or is this permanent? Or how are you going to wash your hair? And doesn't it look dry? Don't they look raggedy? Girl, evaluate your life if that's all you're worried about with me. Have you ever had an embarrassing moment involving your locks? I have not. Other than leaving the gym and them smelling really bad. I mean, I wouldn't even say that's embarrassing because I feel like that's normal. Who are your locked role models? So my locked role models is Amber's Closet on YouTube. Her locks are fucking amazing. Love her locks. Offset. I love Offset's. And I'll put pictures of everybody's locks. Lettucey has amazing locks. Trying to think if there's anybody else. I think if I can think of more, I'll just put pictures of them because I can't think of names all the time. What lock YouTubers do you see yourself hanging out with in real life? Definitely Offset. What's her name? Shit. Okay, Elle Belle's Royal Beauty. I can hang out with her. That's my girl. That's my girlfriend in my head. And I'm like one of those watchers that like never really comment a lot. So she probably has no idea that I exist. But yeah, I love her. I love her personality. I love her hair. I love her lock videos. I love her makeup videos. Like, she's my kind of girl. Final, who else is tagged? Anybody that's watching this video that does videos, or if you want to do videos and you have not yet done any videos, I tag you. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me know when you guys actually post and everything like that. I would love to watch. I would love to support your channels. Love to meet more women that are going through this journey. I think it will be so much fun just to see like everybody's, you know, journey up to now. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Again, if you are somebody who is inspired by this tag, please, please, please do the tag and let me know when you've done it so I can go check it out. And just let me know, like, you know, some of your answers down below. If you're a little shy, you don't want to post a video. What is a question that you have that maybe wasn't answered in this question? Please, you know, ask them down below. Let me know what's good. And if you are new to my channel, please take the time to subscribe. My channel is a bit more lifestyle based. I do makeup, I do hair videos, and also some planner videos, and in the near future it will be a little bit more. So if you would like to stay tuned, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. That way you can get notified every time I release a new video. And please take the time to like, comment down below, all that jazz. Until the next one, I think I'm done with my spiel, so peace out.